time that I just get rid of all this stuff, move it out of the way, dissect this electrical, and then try to get behind the wall, take this wall out completely. 'Cause it's kind of just floating on the ground. There's no cement beneath the wall, it's just kind of sitting on stones. So that whole wall's got to come out.